Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Uni usamla ude utoni Marbaniang, ubala syakbe no nakaseng san partai jong kani kecela kata hakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party ni ke BJP. Ya kani kejing syakbe no nakaseng BJP. Toni Marbaniang mulai tu hi henne kasngi kalai pui terik unai tong hakaji kendo bat kinong partai kubor hasilong press club. Ubalong ru usamla ubatmu banyakon ni ke election MLA House nam Araja Kat Prabanwan nak North Shillong constituency. Halor kani kejing syaweng long dekot no nak BJP. Utoni Marbaniang ulakan thok kalai ke BJP dak baong bakinong ilam jong kani keseng hakani kejela gilapan kenya ki kendon trekam jong ke BJP ke baong ba omla banbe ne weng jing long dekot yau nu dekot kat ba ompat aila je ni yaka ban ajing pensai hakajing syakot hajer. Kumta halor kani Utoni Marbaniang ulakop ru yakinong ilam jong ke BJP Meghalaya unit dak baong ba ukloi banyatai nia batki ledakino banwan sakman. Nalor kani uni usamla ulakop ru ba on amaila dan lele ru yau ba je iling do ba unjab hakani ke election Araja Kat Pra. Halor kani ke kendram hakaseng BJP bat uni usamla ke Batisi TV kalayor banyakran bagino ilam jong kaseng BJP jong kani kecela kebalapan pau ila ke jong kenong rem halor karai banweng jinglong dekot no yu Utoni Marbaniang.
Ang mga sini naman receive kadete na po BJP party office at po public bakla spelling na BJP. Kani kita apa computer usai Yoshiboni do ba letter of expulsion. Hani kita with this letter to inform you that the final decision of the disciplinary committee brought against you for your anti-party activities in the light of the same, you are hereby expelled from the primary membership of the party with immediate effect for a period of 6 years. Hani kita ba expelled from the primary membership. Beli kong pat uji ring do ong apo committee hall ba ngapati member jong BJP and me pat like agreeing that I have already been a primary membership of the BJP and they calling me anti-party activities. Do they have proof? Do they have evidence? According to the constitution and rules of the BJP, Kiong Shah ingni article 25 jong ka disciplinary committee ba you cannot expel anyone. Kalam ka showcase ne ka charge sheet. Ikam hot showcase, ikam hot charge sheet. Di long maki ni bikin jika ande mga di kumno kinu dan kendo apa ngade u anti party kumno kinu dan kendo apa ni anti party jadi maki they do you think Shibolindo or anyone who's leading this are fit to be the leaders of the BJP that I can get like a constitution they're scared of me. I'm sure of this that most of the members or the leaders in the BJP Meghalaya BJP state they are afraid of meeting me because you know what they have done is wrong and I'm right.
Final decision kadai jong presiden Andre hadin pangalayo ya ka report ng disciplinary committee ngasnyo ba he is working against the party. So immediately ngala issue ka order yu ban suspend na party for 6 years. Kata ka term zone. Andai lada ubri usnyo ba udang don kam bandon ba party te hadin kartu kan ipor ngila ban yakren man relax kata 6 years. Te case jong iba Toni Marbaniang kalau the chapter is the end. Namar ila I press conference ba insa yele election Pyrshah ya uba JL ndo ngimong bau de candidate Henry uba train ng party ba penrem dia uba JL ndo kemud uba Toni Marbaniang undon bentasu uba BJP